Just wondering if the Bart guy paid 50 yuan. To buy a discarded tire is not to pay IQ tax. I didn't expect at the moment he made the finished product with this broken tire. I was instantly stunned. I never thought it could be used like this. In the end, he made 20 times more money. He first cut the tire into 4 pieces, then he used some tape, after maintaining his old equipment, put a blade on his tool, and then cut each piece into 7 pieces. Then he puts a small blade on the table, and then put a mold on the tire pieces, draws standard line, then use the small blade along the line to cut off the excess corners. The whole process was done in one go, without any delays. I can see that he has been doing this a lot. After both pieces are cut, he cut the beard blade from Maracana in half, cut the beard blade given by Maracana into 2 halves, take out 1 half, put it on the handle to make a bow-shaped cutter, then he used the mold to draw lines, and then used the freshly made bow cutter to scrape the groove along the line. The other side of the line is the same, then the side also scraped out the lines. This process does not need a reference line, all by years of experience. Then he also made several grooves on the back. After scribing, he took out an inner tube that could not be saved. After scribing out the desired shape, and then used scissors to quickly cut the required tire skin. Then use the same knife to cut out 4 grooves for the tire skin. After scribing and put aside for use, then use a knife, cut out a deep groove on each side of the sole. Then use nylon thread to nimbly, tightly connect the tire to the sole. A pair of slippers is ready. Of course, he will also install the herringbone according to customer needs, or make a pair of shoes. Can let you pass on 3 generations of enhanced flip-flops. You see, this value wearable and strong flip-flops in one, really can be. With it from now on you do not have to be afraid of flip-flops broken. Then the little brother also went out to perform some hurdles. With the feeling of wind is very powerful. For the Bart, this way of reuse of old tires praise.